Philadelphia at the 2018 Automation Fair event, the top companies in industrial automation are showing off their best products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. One of those top companies is Hammond Power Solutions. And I'm talking with Mike. Mike, tell us, for those who don't know, what your company does.
We are a manufacturer of transformers and reactors and other types of magnetic solutions. So we do everything from small little reactors that go into variable frequency drives to very large medium voltage power transformers that might power up an entire factory.
And those are needed in almost every plant.
Yes, I mean basically as long as there's electricity there's always transformers. Usually by the time the electricity gets to the light bulb, it's probably been through a half dozen transformers.
And you're a Rockwell Automation and Compass partner, which means your products are complementary to theirs. They will always integrate. Now, you've got several things here that you're showing off. The attendees in your booth are excited about. What are you highlighting?
We have several different product solutions. Right behind me we have our new Sentinel series. And I say new, but it was actually designed in 2015 for the 2016 energy efficiency standards. We're talking today about some of the innovations we have with the Sentinel series. So one of the things we have is IR windows, which people are increasingly using now to help make sure the transformer is running properly over its expected 30 or 40 year lifetime. Another thing that we have is what we call an SPD or surge protective device, and that is a factory installed device that complements our transformer's natural ability to attenuate voltage spikes and other stuff. It works out real well because our transformers already have a 10,000 kV BIL rating, which means we can take up to a 10,000 volt spike, and we're not worried about the spike traveling from the primary to secondary. There's always some attenuation. Having an SPD device in parallel with the transformer is actually a great technique to help further protect your plant from voltage transients.
And I know you have another product you're excited about behind me. What is that?
We are launching our new Titan N series. So we have had our Titan encapsulated transformer, which is a heavy industrial encapsulated transformer for a number of years. This will be the new iteration of it, and we have designed some really new and exciting product features into it. So first of all, we've gone from what would be a standard Type 3R enclosure to a standard Type 412 enclosure. So we can put it into a lot worse industrial environments. We're not worried about things like sand or dust or spraying water on it. In addition, we have now taken the enclosure and added a much more rugged paint job to it, so it can handle abrasions and stuff like that that normally would show up on our standard transformers. The new paint job actually does a great job of resisting that type of damage. We've adjusted the enclosure so it also has integral feet and the smaller units. A lot of the smaller units only had wall mount, but now we can both do wall and floor mount. And a lot of times we found people were mounting on the walls, but they were also mounting the base of the transformer. Even though it was wall mount, they're still mounting it right on the bottom with some other stuff, and that could collect water and corrode the bottom of the transformer. With the feet, we plan to get that up. We've also done some electrical work on the transformer. So when a transformer is energized, it can have a large inrush voltage. And if the inrush is too high, we can get nuisance tripping of fuses and circuit breakers. Our new line has much lower inrushes than our current line, and it's actually a real industry leader for us. There's another thing called transformer impedance, which means how well the transformer can attenuate a short circuit condition. And the higher impedance means it will put through less current during a short circuit. And one of the inherent issues with encapsulated transformers specifically is low impedances. And we worked really hard with these new designs to make sure that transformers had much higher impedances than our current units, which will lower short circuit fault ratings and also allow people to use breakers and fuses with lower AIC ratings to protect themselves. So all in all, it's a really nice product. We've got some really nice mechanical innovations along with some really important electrical innovations to it.
That's really comprehensive. I can see why you're excited as well as the attendees. So there's so much more to learn about these innovations as well as other products that they offer. So go to the URL you see on your screen and find out how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2018 Automation Fair. I'll see you next time.